Okay, YouTubers, Stressed Out 72 here. I'm getting ready to turn on this blower switch. I just wanted to mention that I welded up the seams of my 55-gallon barrel here, as you can see, and I also pressure tested this thing to a max PSI of 6. So I know that it's not going to leak when I have 4 in there. And I don't ever go over 4. If anything, I'll go down to about 3 psi, depending on the ambient temperature outside. If it's getting warm, you know. So let me just show you this is at 400 degrees. Okay. So what I want to do is turn on the blower. Now this blower is behind here. You can see it right there. It just blows air through this 2-inch pipe going around the siphon nozzle. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you should hear a difference. Okay. I also turned up my needle valve to half open now. And pretty quick here, this is going to get to about 600 to 700 degrees. See how fast it's climbing? So once it gets up to about 600 degrees, I'm going to turn the blower way up here now, so it's running about 3/4 of the way on, and it'll run about 700 degrees here all day long. I'll also just kind of watch during the day the pressure in the nozzle here for the air only. That's always going to stay up there at 4. And that's what I do all day long. Just kind of check it every 4 hours or so. Adjust this needle valve, open or closed, depending on the temperature of it, and adjust the blower fan. So those are the only 2 things that I'll really adjust during the day while I watch the 2 gauges. Thanks for watching.